Welcome to WION Pulse and thank you for staying with us. This is WION World is One. We are glad you're watching. I'm Eric Njoka. Our top stories at this hour. Israel-Hamas hold indirect talks for a hostage prisoner exchange and Gaza ceasefire in Egypt. Egyptian and Qatari mediators are reportedly working with both sides to establish a mechanism for the exchange. Lebanese government claims an Israeli drone carried out an airstrike which targeted a car and killed 2 people. The moment of the attack is caught on camera. EU Chief Ursula von der Leyen warns lawmakers that a confidence vote she faces this week in the European Parliament played into the hands of the bloc's adversaries. French President Emmanuel Macron asks outgoing Prime Minister Sebastian Lecornu for stability plan by Wednesday. This as French government collapses in 14 hours, deepening political crises. Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaks to Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai, condemns the attack on him in the Supreme Court premises, says the incident has angered every Indian and that there is no place for such reprehensible acts in our society. The Election Commission of India announces that the Bihar Assembly elections will be conducted on November 6th and 11th in 2 phases. The counting will be done on November 14th. Undead and 137 hikers rescued who were stranded after a blizzard on the Tibetan slopes of Mount Everest. Search is on for the missing climbers. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq rose today, driven by AMD's 20% jump on a partnership with OpenAI. Meanwhile, the Dow slipped due to declines in Home Depot and Verizon shares. The Italian World Cup winning captain Fabio Cannavaro is named head coach of Uzbekistan. That means Cannavaro will be in charge of Uzbekistan for their maiden World Cup appearance next year. And the world witnesses dazzling supermoon, also known as the harvest moon. This is the first and largest full moon of the year.